class. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is Friends Forever. Okay, so the chapter is about two friends, mouse and a frog. Both are very good friends. Every day the frog used to visit the mouse, but mouse never visited frog. That was very haunted to the mouse, to the frog. He was very felt insulted. So one day he thought he'll do something with the mouse. So he tied a knot in his leg, and another part of that rope he was tied with the mouse tail. And when the frog was hopping, the mouse was dragged. And when the frog was actually dive deep in the pond, the mouse was tried to free himself, but what happened? He drowned. So his full body, when after the death we know that body will come out, is it automatically from the water? So it is just floating on the pond's water, and suddenly a hawk has found that one. So hawk's good food, that one. So he just picked it up, and while he picked that dead body of that mouse, on the meantime the frog was also come out from the water. The frog was tried or struggled to free himself, but he was failed. So at the end what happened? The hawk actually put him an end, because he was struggling, so it was an end of his struggle. So it is saying that don't dig too deep a pit for your enemy, you may fall into it yourself. So this is the text, Friends Forever. Okay, we should not just think why our friends are not doing to us. So some problems might be there. So these are all things we have to understand as we are friends. Okay, so here the same thing happened with the mouse and the frog. So let us start the first one. What is their exercise? The frog visited the mouse every day at noon. The frog visited the mouse every day at morning. So first one will be false. I am writing that one. A1, first one will be false. The frog was insulted because the mouse would not speak. No, the mouse did not go to or visit him. That is only. So second one also will be false. Third, they see the mouse died by drowning. Yes, that is true. The mouse died by drowning. That is true. The frog escaped after the mouse died. No, the frog could not escape. So it will be false. So A number done. Why did the mouse not visit the frog? The mouse not visited the frog because frog lived in the pond. Mouse cannot live in the pond. So you will write that one. The mouse not visited the frog because he cannot live in water. Because he cannot live in water. Did the frog really want to kill the mouse? No. No, the frog don't want to kill. No. Then the other part of the sentence you will write, no, the frog really don't want to kill the mouse. Did the frog have fair reason to feel humiliated? No, the frog have not any fair reason to feel humiliated, but as he every day visiting his friend's house, so he thought it should be his friend's responsibility to visit his home. Clear? So you will write that the frog had not fair reason to feel humiliated, but as a friend he thought he should visit once his home, as he was visiting the mouse home every day. Do you think the frog got what he deserved? Give a reason for your answer. Here it is truth, because frog want to dig. The last one you will write here. The frog want to dig too deep a pit for his friend, and suddenly he may fall into it by yourself. Clear? That. Number C, let's see. You have to match column A with column B. Delighted with the meaning. Delighted, it will be pleased greatly. Delighted, it will be pleased greatly. This one, I am rubbing. Okay, so C1, delighted. Delighted, it will be pleased gently. Please gently. Second one, humiliated, it will be humiliated, disgraced. Humiliated, it will be disgraced. Okay. Number 3, you see, hopped, jumped into one's feet, it will be jump to one's feet. Number 4, bloated. Bloated, it will be jumped, please, feeling hopeless. Feeling hopeless. Okay. Number 5, swapped, will be swollen. Okay. Number 6, desperate, it will be made a sudden attack. Made a sudden attack. Clear? Number D, you see, will write, I dash noted all the questions. I carefully noted all the questions. D1, here I am writing carefully. Number 2, my dog barks loudly. My dog barks loudly. Okay. Number 3, Mohit dash solved the puzzle. Mohit easily solved the puzzle. Easily. Number 3. Number 4, the sick person dash needed oxygen. Desperately needed oxygen. Desperately. Number 5, as we are getting late, my friend asked me to walk quickly. To walk quickly. Number 6, the girl laughed delightedly. Delightedly. Okay. So this is only the text. Just go through the text and try to solve the question answer. If any doubt you'll get, just ask me through message and all. Till then, just read the text.